Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to blur a face in CapCut on mobile. If you find this quite helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more editing tips. Step 1. Start by launching CapCut and opening your video project. Once you're in, go ahead and import the video you want to edit. Step 2. Make sure your video is not selected. Scroll to the bottom menu and tap Effects. Then choose Video Effects. In the search bar type Blur. You'll see several blur styles. Pick one you like. I'll go with the one on the right. Then tap Cancel. And tap the check mark to apply it. Next, straight the blur effect so it's measure the full length of your video by dragging its edges. Step 3. Tap on your video clip and scroll through the bottom menu until you find duplicate. Tap on it. Once it's duplicated, scroll again and tap overlay. Then drag the overlay so it's lines up with the start of your main video. Make sure they are perfectly synced. Step 4. Select the overlay clip. Scroll to find the mask option. Choose a circle, it's often the AZ. Tap Invent in the bottom left corner so only the face is blurred. Now position and resize the circle to cover the face. Step 5. With the overlay still selected, go to the beginning of the video. Tap the diamond-shaped keyframe icon next to the play button to add your first keyframe. As the face moves in the video, update the position of the blur. CapCut will automatically add keyframes as you make changes. For smoother tracking, move in small steps and adjust as needed. Once you're tracking the face throughout the video, tap the check mark to confirm. Play back your video and make sure the blur follows the face accurately. When you're happy with the result, export your video as usual. And that's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.